Yeah, we are writing a Python program to calculate the sum of the digits of a random 3-digit number. So first of all, Randit generates a random number in the given range. So Randit, we import the functions Randit from the module. First of all, let's do the import. So this one will generate the random number from a given range, and let's state the range. So let's now print out the number being generated. So after being printed out the first number, the number being generated, the first digit, the most significant digits of the numbers is extracted and divided by 100. So after being divided by 100, so the last digit of the number is deleted, and by dividing it by 10, then finding the remainder when dividing by 10 extracts the last digits, which in the original number was in the middle. So the last digits, the lowest digits of the number is extracted by dividing the remainder by division by 10 also. So the last, which has been done, the sum of the digits is calculated and displayed on the screen. So let's calculate the sum of the digits, and let's try to run our program. So it has been done. Let's run it again to see another number being extracted. It has been done. When you had it, to give you, let's run it again. The numbers are generated at a random, and the sum of the digits are added. Thanks.